Okay, here's a compound inequality, and this is actually an and problem. If you wanted to rewrite it, you could write it like this. You could write it like 6 is less than x minus 5 and x minus 5 is less than 17. Okay, but we don't need to do that. We can leave it just like it is. And instead of thinking about it like an equation with two sides, we're going to think about this like it has three sides. Okay, it has the left side, it has the middle, and it has the right side. And when we solve for x right here, and we get this x by itself, and we need to add 5, we're going to do it to all three sides, okay? The left, the middle, and the right. So, let's go back to what it looks like in your book. And we want to get the x by itself. We still need to solve this. So to solve for x, we need to get rid of a minus 5. And to get rid of a minus 5, I'm going to add 5 to the middle so that they will cancel out. But I can't add 5 in the middle unless I add 5 to the right and 5 to the left. Okay, all three sides. I'm balancing out all three. All right, let's see what we get. 6 plus 5 is 11, which is less than x, which is less than, what's 17 plus 5? 22. This is my solution. Let's graph it. I draw my number line. I draw my important points, 11 and 22. And I'm going to shade everything greater than 11 while at the same time less than 22. Okay, so now you can see it's an and because we're shading the inside part. This gets a parenthesis, the 11 gets a parenthesis. And the 22 also gets a parenthesis. Okay, this is my graph. You can see I have one interval, so when I go down to write it in interval notation, my interval starts at 11, it ends at 22. Right, this parenthesis comes down and this parenthesis comes down. Okay, so this is the interval 11 and 22. And when I look at this, if you go back to graphing lines, you could think this is an ordered pair, 11, 22. But if you know you're talking about a shaded area, this tells you that it's an interval with every number included between 11 and 22.